Hey everyone, thanks for tuning in today. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to make the Clearly Sweet pencil pouch by Sweetly Unique. I want to say thank you to Megan for allowing me to feature this pattern on my channel. It is a quick, less than 30-minute sew, even with me finicking with putting on the zipper pull. In this video, I'm using the translucent pink vinyl from Mormino. I'm not sure if she still has that stocked, but if I can find it on our website, I will link it below. And I am using thread from Saya Swag in her black color, and it's a quick unlined pencil pouch that you can use for pencils, markers, makeup brushes, crochet hooks, anything you want. You can bind these seams if you want, but I've chosen not to. I've made about a dozen of these bags and I don't feel that there's a need to bind them, but if you want to, you're more than welcome to. But again, here it is. Don't forget to like and subscribe while you're here, and I hope you enjoy the tutorial. Thanks, bye. So I have the pattern cut out. I'm using one of the translucent vinyls from Mormino. And I have 2 tabs and then a zipper and a zipper pull and then my little tag. So like I said, it's a real quick sew and great for anybody for gifts, especially with school just starting again and Christmas right around the holidays right around the corner. So first I'm going to take apart the zipper. And we want it on the long sides without the cutouts, and we're just going to face it teeth down. And I did cut it a little bit longer than the pattern recommended, but that's okay, we can just trim it at the end. So it's clipped, and now we're gonna stitch all the way across, back stitching. I do have just my regular Teflon presser foot, so I'm just gonna try and get as close to the seam allowance as possible. I'm mostly sewing with 1/4 inch. And if you want to use double stick tape instead of clips, you can. Okay, and then I'm going to repeat that on the other side here. So I have this one, I'm going to repeat it on the other side. Now what we want to do is we want to take the zipper and fold it back. So this is the wrong side here. We're going to fold it back and we're going to top stitch the zipper all the way across on both sides. There is my first side. Now I'm going to do it to the other side. So we have the zipper on both sides with it top stitched. And now we're going to fold it. I'm gonna have to like this. We're going to fold it like this so the wrong sides are out, and we're going to put the zipper pull on. gonna pull it all the way through to close this, and then we'll reattach it one more time. Okay, so now that we have our zipper pull on, it's in the middle, we're gonna just smash it together so the zipper is lined up in the middle. And we are going to clip this on each side. I'm going to fold these wrong sides together and slide this in lined up with the zipper. And depending on how big the tabs you want on the outside, you'll leave like more hanging out or less hanging out. So then I'm going to clip that. And we're going to sew it. And now we're going to do the same with the other side. Sticky, so I'm not lined up 100%, so I'm gonna have to compensate, but that's okay. I'm just gonna trim it now. That'll make it easier. Oh, sorry. Fold this wrong sides together and stick this in. So now we have both sides sewn like this, and now we're gonna box the corners. When you box the corners, you wanna make sure this seam is going down. So we sewed one, we're gonna sew the other. And now we're gonna do the same thing to this side. I'm gonna actually snip this right here to mark where the center should be up here. I forgot to do that on the other side, and it just makes it easier lining it up. And you want to make sure this is going down again, same direction as last time. So something that I do is I don't go all the way to the edge. It makes it a little bit more bubbly, but then I don't have like any stitches showing on the outside when I do that. So I go like one stitch away from the edge to not have that stitch showing. I'm just gonna melt really quick. See if this fray check isn't clogged. My fray check's been clogged. It like dries out or something. But I'm gonna put that on the zipper if it's. Okay, so all we have to do now is turn it. And if you don't want like creases, I would recommend like heating it up a little bit, but just turn it right side out. And there we have it. Cute little pencil pouch. Here's my tag sewn in on the side here. Just small because I didn't know what I was doing when I ordered those, but that's all right. So quick, under 30 minutes, even with me futzing with the zipper pull. So hope you enjoyed the tutorial. Thank you again, Megan, for letting me feature this pattern on my channel, and hopefully I will be able to do more of your patterns in the near future. And if you have any questions or kind comments, feel free to leave them below, and don't forget to like and subscribe while you're here. Thanks again, and I'll see you next time. Bye!